Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make smoothie art. My first and lightest color or flavor is pineapple, so I have frozen pineapples. In all of these different blends, I put in 1.5 very ripe banana and then some water. I keep it pretty simple, and when it's all mixed together, you get that full flavor. So just blend it up really well. And then I've got these little squirt bottles that I often use for pancake art videos on this channel, but I figured it would be perfect for this as well. And this is just a brainchild that I had while I was cooking the other day. So that is our lightest, again with the bananas, and then onto the blueberries. So that's going to give us a nice dark color. I'd say probably the pineapple is our lightest, blueberry our darkest. And of course, if you don't like one of these or allergic to one of these, you can find something else, but these are just things that I enjoy. And it takes just a little bit of tapping to get it in there. I didn't actually do any dairy in these. I suppose you could, but it could kind of murky up the colors unless you did it in one that was already kind of creamy like the pineapple. So I did some strawberries. And you don't want chunks just because it's not going to work out as good, especially since we're using the squeeze bottles. So make sure it is a very, very good mixture. Now I did put the banana in with each flavor, partially because that's really the natural sweetener that I use in my smoothies is just banana. I try not to add anything else, but also because if you happen to get like just a little swig of one of these by themselves, I didn't want it to be horrible. Like this is spinach, like straight up just spinach. You can make it better with kiwis and apples and whatever you want. But again, I was going very simple here. So banana, spinach, and water. No, it is not good on its own. But when you get to mixing it, it's really nice. So I love citrus. I didn't have any actual oranges on hand, but I thought this will give me more of an orange versus the yellow of the pineapple, and give me just that little burst of flavor in my smoothies. So I've got them all mixed up, and then it's just creativity and playing with it. So trying the dark colors first and the light colors. I really loved how this first one was kind of like tie-dye-ish, but the more I added, the murkier it got, just kind of doing the same thing over. And then you stir it up and you sip it, and it tastes great. I love spinach in my smoothies because not only does it give me those greens, but I feel like you can't really even taste it. It's just masked by all the sweetness of the fruits, and it gives a really great color pop to this. One of my favorite things was doing this at the end. Just do the swirl and you get that nice kind of sunset look, I guess you could say. Mix it up good so you're not just getting a whole bunch of spinach juice, and just play with it. I'm curious to know, let me know in the comments down below, if you were to substitute any of these, what would you do? Would you do like raspberries instead of strawberries, or mango instead of orange juice or something like that? I'd just be curious, what do you guys like in your smoothies? Now, like I said, I didn't put any dairy in here, but after I mixed it all up and had some leftovers in my fridge, because that was a lot of smoothie mix, I'll do like half yogurt, half smoothie mix, and it makes it really nice and creamy. Or you can just drink straight fruit juice because yum. I was kind of inspired by this. Ooh, this is probably my favorite swirl right there. Just gorgeous, yeah? I was kind of inspired because of like the cappuccino art that people can do with the cream. And I thought, why not with these? This is another fun one. I don't know, I just had a lot of fun with these. Is it silly? It's a fun way to play with your food. Like you could do this with kids, or heck, just do it as adults. I don't see anything wrong with that. I'm not judging. But yeah, it's just fun and it's tasty and healthy. and it gets all the stars in my book. Well, thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I appreciate you watching this. If you like this idea, share the heck out of it, please. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, wherever you want. I'd really appreciate that share and thumbs up and subscribe. I'm hoping to do a giveaway soon on this here channel for subscribers. And go check out one of my other videos if you have a chance. I appreciate it. I love you. Have a cool summer.